Hey, good morning, everyone. Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. I am back for part 3 of my Monday morning beach walk at Delnor-Wiggins Pass State Park in North Naples, Florida. And as you can see, it is absolutely gorgeous here. Not a cloud in the sky. 68 degrees right now. Today's high is going to get up to about 86. The water temperature is 76. I'm standing on top of the boardwalk at the north end of Area 2. One of my favorite views of the beach. We have not seen any dolphins this morning. However, we did do a little shelling. Found a couple nice little shells this morning. We're just gonna walk north up to Area 4. We made it up to Wiggins Pass this morning. It's not going to be happening much anymore. It looks like they're closing it down, closing off the access to Wiggins Pass. The only way you're going to be able to get there is during low tide. We'll see if they come up with an alternative way to get up there. There were a few fishermen up there. Our beach has taken a pounding over the past several days. It was so windy and rough. Lost a lot of that new sand that they pumped up here from Wiggins Pass. Now things are finally starting to calm down. Let's hope that's a trend. Surrounded by blue sky this morning. 360 degrees of blue, clear blue sky. Beautiful sun. Shining bright. Kind of disappointed that we haven't seen any dolphins. It's like ideal conditions to watch the dolphins. Flat water out there, nice light. Where are they? Good morning. What an awesome way to start your day. Little walk on the beach. You just never know what's going to happen. You never know what we're going to see during these live feeds. We have seen some amazing sights over the years. That's for darn sure. Amazing marine life. Met some wonderful people. Found some really cool shells. Visited some other beaches around town. I'm up for another beach. Well, before Robert leaves town, go checking out another beach somewhere. And we're just crossing the line into Area 4 here. As you look up and down the beach here, you can tell season is winding down. Less and less people here set up on the beach. By the end of April, things are pretty much over here. It will just be you and me out on the beach. Quiet, huh? Quiet. No dolphins?
No dolphins,
No.
but it's so beautiful.
It is beautiful. And it's less people.
Yes, and less.
Couple more weeks and it'll be you and me.
We will have our beach.
Yep. Have a great day. We love our snowbird friends, but we love the peace and quiet in the summertime here, believe me. It's a whole different atmosphere. That sky is clear today. You can see all the way up to Fort Myers Beach, no problem this morning. Fort Myers Beach and beyond. Boy, the waves are really starting to die down now. Just some little ripples over the sandbar and along the shore. Ooh, thanks for the stars. Well, I think I'm going to call it a morning. A beautiful Monday morning it is. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for being a friend. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for being generous with the stars, tips. Thank you. Don't forget to tell your friends about our beach walks in the morning. Help spread the word and share the love. Bringing awesome people just like you together in the mornings, one beach walk at a time. Hey, have an awesome, awesome Monday. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally ho, my friends, tally ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Robb Stan. God bless.